Good morning students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to learn the exercise 9.5 question number 5. That is, show that first question 3x plus 7 the whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 the whole square. That means you have to show that this LHS is equal to RHS. LHS means the algebraic expression to the left hand side, and RHS means the right hand side. Okay, and we have to prove this one equal to this one, that is LHS is equal to RHS. So first we have to prove what is LHS. We have to simplify the LHS. What is LHS? 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. And 3x plus 7 the whole square. Which identity we use here? This is A plus this is B the whole square. And what is A plus B the whole square? Equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. One more identity is here. What is this? 3x minus 7 the whole square means this is of the form A minus B the whole square. And what is the you write here? A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay. Then, so what is this 3x plus 7 the whole square? This is equal to A in the place is 3x, B in the place is 7. So A square plus B square means 3x the whole square plus B square means 7 square plus 2 into A into B. That is 2 into A is 3x, B is 7, then minus 84x. Okay, 3x plus 7 the whole square, and then A plus B the whole square which expand to you. A plus B the whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. Okay. 3x is 3x the whole square. We have to take the square of 3 and x. That means 3x the whole square. 3 square is 9. X square is x square. Plus 7 square means 49. Plus 2 into 3 into 7 means 42x. Remaining 84x. Any like terms here? Yes, 42x minus 84x. Different sign. So you have to subtract 84 minus 42. That is 42. That is 9x square plus 49. The sign of the bigger number is minus here. Minus 42x. So this is your LHS. Next you have to prove what is RHS. You have to simplify the RHS. LHS next RHS. RHS is 3x minus 7 the whole square. Identity A minus B the whole square. And what is A minus B the whole square? A square plus B square minus 2AB. So what is A here? A is 3x. B is equal to 7. So A square minus B, A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square means 7 square. Sign here is minus. So you have to put minus 2 into A into B. That is 3x into 7. That is equal to, what is 3x the whole square? 9x square. And the number means square plus 7 square is 49 minus 7 into 3 is 21 into 2 is minus 42x. This is the RHS. LHS and RHS, are they equal? Yes, 9x square plus 49 minus 42x. So you can see that LHS is equal to RHS. Show that this LHS is equal to RHS. So you got this LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, one more question. Same section. The section. Second question. That is 9p minus 5q the whole square plus 180 pq is equal to 9p plus 5q the whole square. So here also you have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. So what is LHS? LHS is equal to, write the LHS first. 9p minus 5q the whole square plus 180 pq. That is equal to, which identity you can use here? This is a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a the place is 9p, b the place is 5q. Okay. So a square plus b square means 9p square plus b square means 5q square. This bracket is very important. Then minus 2 into b, minus 2 into 9b into 5q. But this bracket expand ചെയ്തു. ഇനി ബാക്കി ആരുടെ plus 180 pq. Okay. Next, 9p the whole square means square of 9, square of p. That is 81p square plus 5q square means 5 square q square. That is 25q square minus 2 into 9 into 5. That is 90 pq. So 90 pq, 180 pq. They are like terms. So this is equal to 81p square plus 25q square. 180 minus 90 is 90. And sign of 180 is positive. So plus 90 pq. And this is your LHS. LHS we will solve it. Now we will prove RHS and LHS same. So next you have to take the RHS. Let's find q the whole square. So RHS is equal to 9p plus 5q the whole square. So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. And what is a plus b the whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as 9p square. A the place is 9p, b the place is 5q. So a square plus b square means 5q square plus. Since this is plus, you have to use plus here. 2 into a into b. That is 2 into 9p into 5q. That is equal to 9p square means 81p square plus 5q square is, yes, 25q square plus 2 into 9 into 5 is 90 pq. No limitation. That is, this LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proof. Next one. Your question number 4. Your fourth one. Pick the section, fourth question. 4pq plus 3q the whole square minus 4pq minus 3q the whole square is equal to 48pq square. 4pq plus 3q the whole square minus 4pq minus 3q the whole square is equal to 48pq square. So first you have to simplify the LHS. LHS. You have to prove this LHS is equal to RHS. Show that in the question one. LHS is equal to RHS and prove it. Okay. So first you have to simplify the LHS. Before simplifying, first you have to find what is 4pq plus 3q the whole square. Next you have to find what is 4pq minus 3q the whole square. Then subtract the terms. Okay, so first we are simplifying 4pq plus 3q the whole square. What is 4pq plus 3q the whole square? So this is of the form a plus b the whole square. And what is a plus b the whole square? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so a square means 4pq square plus b square means b the base is 3q. So 3q square plus 2 into a into b. A is 4pq, b is 3q. So multiplying 2 into 4pq into 3q. This is equal to, getting the square means you have to take the square of each number. That is 4 square means 16, p square, then q square plus 3q square means 3 square, q square, that is 9q square plus 2 into 4 into 3, that is 24. First multiply the numbers, then multiply the variables. Variables are p, q into q. So q into q is q square, that is 24pq square. So this is the expansion for 4pq plus 3q the whole square. Next we have to expand 4pq minus 3q the whole square. So 4pq minus 3q the whole square. എന്താണ് a plus b the whole square a minus b the whole square തമ്മിലുള്ള ഡിഫറൻസ്? ഈ പ്ലസും ഈ മൈനസും ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ. If a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, what is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. ഈ 2 ന്റെ സൈൻ അങ്ങ് മാറും. Now listen, a യും b യും ഇവിടെ സെയിം തന്നെയാണ്. Only difference is this plus and minus. So this is 4pq minus 3q the whole square means you have to put minus for this minus 2pq. Sorry, minus 2ab. അല്ലേ? ഇവിടെ plus 2ab, ഇവിടെ minus 2ab. ഇവിടെ ഓൾറെഡി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് a plus b the whole square expansion വെച്ച് ഈ ആൻസർ കിട്ടി. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ a minus b the whole square എന്ത് ഡിഫറൻസ് ഉണ്ടാവത്തുള്ളൂ? ഇതിന്റെ സൈൻ അങ്ങ് മാറും. പോസിറ്റീവ് എന്താകും? നെഗറ്റീവ് ആകും. ഇനി അതല്ല ഇതേപോലെ ഐഡന്റിറ്റീസ് വെച്ച് എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ അങ്ങനെയും ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, so I'm writing 16p square q square plus 9q square minus 24pq square. A square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. ഇനി LHS എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? സബ്ട്രാക്ഷൻ. ഫസ്റ്റ് വണ്ണിൽ നിന്നും സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നു. So this is the first term and this is the second expansion and you have to subtract. Subtraction means you have to change the sign. Okay, next 16p square q square minus 16p 9q square minus 9q square cancel. Then 24pq square plus 24pq square and 24 plus 24 is 48pq square and that was your RHS. That is equal to the RHS. So you got this LHS is equal to RHS. Understood? So we have simplified the first expansion using a plus b the whole square identity and second one a minus b the whole square identity. Then you subtracted the second algebraic expression from the first one by changing the signs of the second terms and you got the answer 48pq square which is our RHS. One more question, fifth one. Fifth question, the last one, a minus b into a plus b plus b minus c into b plus c plus c minus a into c plus a equal to 0. Can we use the first two identities here? A plus b the whole square. But no, a plus b into a minus b ആണ്. അവിടെ a minus b the whole square. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു കേസും ഇവിടെ ഇല്ല. Then what is the third identity you study? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a a square minus b square. That's the third identity. അതല്ലേ ഇവിടെ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Sum into difference. ഇവിടെ sum into difference. Here also sum into difference. അല്ലേ, ഒരു പ്ലസും ഒരു മൈനസും അപ്പുറവും ഇപ്പുറവും സെയിം നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ take the square of the first number minus square of the second. So here we are going to use the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is sum into difference is equal to first number square minus second number square. So this LHS is equal to, what is the LHS? A minus b into a plus b. First we can simplify this a minus b into a plus b. Then simplify b minus c into b plus c. Then c minus a into c plus a. Okay. So what is a minus b into a plus b? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a minus b into a plus b. അല്ലേ, 3 into 7 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലും 7 into 3 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാലും സെയിം തന്നെയാണ്. So a minus b into a plus b, you can write it as a square minus b square. Similarly, b minus c into b plus c can be written as b square minus c square. Next, c minus a into c plus a can be written as c square minus a square. And this LHS means you have to add a minus b into a plus b, b minus c into b plus c, and c minus a into c plus a. Now you can add a square. Any like terms here? We are adding this a square, the minus a square, you can cancel. Then minus b square plus b square, you can cancel. C square minus c square. So what is remaining there? 0, and that is your RHS. Hence proof. So which identity you are using here? You are using the third identity, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Hope you all understood today's class. Thank you.